Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to schedule a Zoom meeting and send its link. First, you need to go to your Zoom application. If you don't have your Zoom application, then you can search it on your browser also. After that, you need to go to the option of schedule here. Click on schedule where you can see this option where you can change the title of your meeting. After that, you need to make sure that which date you are going with for a meeting. For now, we are going with the same date. We need to change the time if you want, but if you are getting with the time, then that's fine. After that, you can edit this ending time of the call also, and if you want, you can change the date here also. After that, you have to make sure that in meeting ID you have this option available, generate automatically. After that, you need to go down and then you can also change the passcode if you want, and then you have to press save option. Click on save and your Zoom meeting link will be available. You have to sign in, and after signing in you can do that. As you can see, I'm getting a reminder of my meeting that it is in 3 minutes. I can start it from here and also I can snooze it from here. But before that, we need to make sure that our participants are going to join. So in that case, I need to go here, and here is the meeting ID and this is the passcode. Or we can also share the link of our Zoom meeting from here. Just copy this and you can share it with them, and that's how you can share it with your participants. So I hope this video was useful, and if it was, then make sure you like and share our video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.